Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, so yesterday, the last chance saloon, honestly, for the bears to hold things was 42.24. They've given that up, and they've given it up to the tune of about 20, 24 handles. Now, really, all that's left are the all-time highs at 42.58 quarter, which I would expect to get dealt with, if not today, then at some point this week. The bears are really going to have to dig in order to avoid that, and I think the only way they can avoid it is some piece of news. And you never know. I mean, news is news. News bombs are just that. They're news bombs. You never know what's going to come, this, that, or the other thing. But aside from something like that, price has no real interest in doing any, organic moves to the downside. So what I would expect is to see things continue to bleed up. So the last 2 days have been pretty simple as far as the room goes. This has been a great week. You come in the morning, you find the move. Tuesday there were two moves. There's a nice move down, a nice move up. Yesterday, we did a little bit of a move down and then a nice move up. And we've just been, we've been holding these things. We had a 40 handle runner on Monday. We had a 20 handle runner yesterday. And we're in a really good spot, as far as the rest of the week is concerned. I would expect today you've got 5-minute mid-band and the proprietary moving average about 37.5, hourly mid-band 38.5 essentially. You have your pre-FOMC price 23.75, that's a little bit lower, but hourly mid 38.5, volume weighted average price 39.75. So we had this bull bear area yesterday, 15, 16. We ended up short 16 for about a 10 handle move down. Then on the way back up and through, we grabbed 16.5, and that was the one that we held for the majority of the day. We got taken out of a 20 handle runner in the last hour. Today, for me, that level is basically 37 to 39. I want to be long above that area, and I don't mind being short below. They traded down to 30.75 in the overnight. You've got the daily pivot down at 29.33. So does something like daily pivot need a look? Does something like the pre-FOMC price at 23.75 need a look? I don't know. But unless the bears can really get down below the 9-day and the 20-day, there isn't a whole heck of a lot to talk about as far as what the bears are going to do and not do. They had the big move down Sunday. They consolidated it here at the 50-day. And then, they opened the market and they blew it. And then they consolidated and they blew it again. So, like I said, absent news, it's really difficult for me to see a lot of focused price to the downside. Because from Sunday night, from their attempt to convert the monthly pivot down here, we've done, what have we done? 100 and, about 120 handles. About 120 handles. So it takes talent to lay down that badly, that quickly, and basically do a V, consolidate, and then extend. So all that's left, 42.58 quarter. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Come check out the chat room. Come trade this stuff with us. You're going to really like what you find. Check us out on Reddit. Private Facebook group. Is open to new people. Come on in and check it out. Have a great one. Trade them well, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.